Esta humanidad en armonía.
Would you like to be able to control people's body? David Kleiner has been a professional magician for the last 25 years. No accomplice. A performance under all circumstances in all places. Telepathy between two audience members. Two audience members communicating without talking. More reliable, stronger, more precise, more silent, easier to use. Sold out at all magician fairs. Equipment used widely by all magic performers in France.
C'est une tuerie. Vous allez mettre le public à l'envers.
Danny Larry. Antonio, winner of France Got Talent. So, do you want to be successful?